In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image carousel on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to make your Google site more visually dynamic by adding a rotating gallery, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a simple process that will help you enhance your website with beautiful, interactive images. First, you want to start by heading over to Google Sites. If you're not sure how to get there, simply open your preferred web browser and search for Google Sites. The first link that pops up should be the one you click on. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you're going to see a few options. Go ahead and select an existing site that you want to work with. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new site by following Google's straightforward prompts. But for this tutorial, we'll assume you've got a site ready to go. Now, with your selected site open, you'll be looking for the Insert icon. It's usually located on the right side of the Google Sites editor. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of options for adding different elements to your page. In this list, there's an option labeled Image Carousel. Click on that and you'll be one step closer to adding your rotating images. Next, take a look at the new window that appears. You'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to uploading images. Click that plus icon to begin the upload process. A new dialog box should pop up, giving you a couple of choices on where to source your images. When you're ready, choose Upload Image, as this is where we'll be getting your pictures straight from your computer. It's time to sift through your files and select the images you want to feature in your carousel. Unlike some other systems, Google Sites lets you select multiple images at once, making the process much more convenient. So go ahead and choose all those great photos you've been eager to showcase, and then hit Open. This action uploads them directly to your Google site. After your images are uploaded, your final step is to insert them into your site. You don't have to do anything extraordinary, just click Insert. Google Sites will automatically compile your chosen images into a carousel format, and there you have it. Your images are now smoothly cycling through in an impressive, professional-looking carousel right on your site. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add a customized image carousel to any Google site. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your website's aesthetic and keep your visitors engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your site stand out even more.